Do you know if you are blood group AB and you get married to someone who is blood group O, after giving birth to your children, none of them is going to have your blood group or that of your partner? Are you aware of that? Well, let's prove that using this genetic diagram. You see, we have John who is married to Emily. John is blood group AB whilst Emily is blood group O. After giving birth, what are the possible genotype or possible blood group of their children? So we have John. So for the parental phenotype, John is blood group AB, whilst Emily is blood group O. But this is their phenotype. In terms of their genotype, for John, it's a combination of A and B. So I'm going to represent it using A and B for simplicity. There are other ways of representing the genotype. But for this example, I just want to make everything simple. So for their genotype, John is going to be AB, whilst Emily is going to be OO. Remember, for every trait or character, we need a combination of two alleles to form it. So for the blood group of Emily also, instead of just writing O, represent it using OO. Now, during gamete formation or sexual reproduction, gametes have to be formed. And these are the possibilities in terms of blood group. John is going to give out A or he is going to give out B because these are the options he has. Meanwhile, Emily can only give out O. Now, for fertilization to form their babies, in terms of blood group, how is this going to be for the genetic diagram if we have to pair them? This A is going to pair up with this B to form AO. Or this B is going to pair up with this O to form BO. Now we are done working with this. Or we can go this way. This A is going to pair up with this O to still give us AO, and this B is going to pair up with this O to form BO. Now remember, in terms of blood groups, if these are the first filial generation, their genotype, what to be the genetic expression or what to be the phenotypic expression of it. Now, in terms of the phenotypic expression, AO represents blood group A, BO represents blood group B, AO represents A, BO represents blood group B. Good. So here we have it, clear and obvious. So what is the point? So you realize that this child, we have 50%. There's a 50% probability of the child being blood group A and 50% probability of the child being blood group B. So surprising and interesting. So that means John, who is blood group AB, and Emily, who is blood group O, are giving birth to children, and their children can only be blood group A or blood group B, which is completely different from that of John and Emily. So it is very, very possible that someone in blood group AB getting married to blood group O will give birth to children that have neither of their blood groups. Thank you for joining us on this interesting video. See you in our next lesson.